Okay, here we go. Come on, Corey. Oh, yes. Yo, seven! Yes, go on! Corey, come on! Oh, no. No! Come on, Corey! Okay, we're good. We're good. The championship contender.
One of our championship contenders involved there. The 62 Cole Butcher, who restarted on
And Granite Finger. That's a relief. Yeah, everyone has a point about that format. This format is so gimmicky. Corey HEIM needs to do this.
Final race with Thorsport Racing after 26 years. He's in the top 10, running 7th right now. And oh, Kane Honeycutt's team.
We feel you. Yeah, we all feel that same way. Oh boy.
That's what we look like in here in the booth watching this thing.
Okay, we gotta do this. Overtime attempt number 2.
NASCAR overtime number 2.
Okay, let's do this. Come on, Corey. I think he's spinning tires. Wait, what happened to the others? Yo, my Craft is in 7th! Come on, Corey! Yes! Come on! Come on, Corey! Make it! He made it! Fly flag! Come on, Corey! Don't let us down! Since 2017, the best average finish was Christopher Bell in 2017. And then not only the 13th win, and it's going to go to Corey HEIM! He is the champion of 2025! Yes! Let's go! Thank you, Corey! Thank you! Thank you!
What is wrong with us, Regan? That's exactly.
Thank you, Corey!
This was a great evening.
You made us all proud.
Corey HEIM, Scott Zipadelli, Tony Hirschman, the spotter, Cale Uphoff, Ryan Zunk, Brett Sinchelli, Adam Lewis, Corey White. That is his pit crew that has gotten it done for him. 12 wins on the season out of 25 races. The best truck won. The best driver won.
Nearly half of the races. I mean, it's just so tough to comprehend.
See what they said?
What these guys put together. Perhaps one of the best moves.
Matt Crafton's career comes to an end with a 13th place finish.
What a night. We talk about the
Man, congrats to Corey HEIM. Thank you for doing this. You deserved it, Corey, and I apologize for getting you mad because you win a lot. But this time, you deserve it.